Today is Wednesday, March 30th. This is the 1969-1970 Cadillac DeVille and Eldorado trunk release power solenoid. This is for my friend Dave Savala, and I'm doing a functional validation test prior to shipping. And we'll go ahead and cock the unit as if it's been locked onto the striker of the trunk, and we'll apply power. And the actuation works perfectly as intended. Again. And again. So that's the 1969-1970 Cadillac trunk release power solenoid for my friend Dave. This is George in Florida. I have over 75,000 original vintage parts for the 1967 to 1970 Cadillacs, over 375,000 1959 to 1978 Cadillac items overall. I'm best known for my restoration of the Cadillac steering wheels, the tilt and telescopic steering columns, the power seat mechanisms, the instrument clusters, the radios and power antennas, and other critical hard-to-source original vintage Cadillac items such as the power door lock actuators and these power trunk release solenoids. Today is Wednesday, March 30th. This is George in Florida. Thank you very kindly.